Hello guys, hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is how can we be a good problem solver. Okay, let's talk about how can we be a good problem solver. In our daily life there are lots of problems that we have and we face. So if we know some of the steps how to solve the problem, then it would be better for us, okay, to solve that problem easily. So let's talk how we can solve the problem. We all have different types of problem in our life, but what matters the most is how to solve it. Okay, so let's talk without any delay. Let's start. Being a good problem solver involves several key skills and approaches. Some of the steps, some of the skill that I'm going to share with you, it will definitely help you to become a good problem solver. Okay, the first one is, let's talk one by one. The first one is critical thinking. Train yourself to analyze the situation objectively, identify the key issue, and evaluate the possible solution. So, critical thinking is very important. First of all, you have to analyze the situation. Why we are facing this problem? You have to ask the question first. Then identify the key issue. What is the issue? What is the problem? Okay. Then evaluate the possible solution. After that, we have to evaluate the possible solution. Okay, if the problem is this, it could be solved in that way or this way. So you have to evaluate it. First of all, you have to know the problem. If you don't know the problem, how can you solve that? So try to analyze the situation or try to analyze the problem objectively. It's most important. Okay, next one is creativity. Think outside of the box to come up with your innovative solution. Sometimes it's very difficult to solve that problem with the knowledge that we have. We have to use our creativity. Okay, think outside of the box. If you know one way how to solve the problem, if you tried that, if you did not, okay, if you could not make it, then you have to use another way. So don't be afraid to explore unconventional idea. So if you try to do it like in any other way, in different way, then maybe it will be possible that you will solve that problem. Okay, so that's the creative. We have to use our creativity. Next one is effective communication. Clearly communicate your thought, idea, and solution to other. So sometimes the problem that we have, if we share with someone, maybe they have the solution, maybe they can give some advice to us, so it will help us to solve that problem. So this include active listening to understand the problem fully. Okay, and you have to listen it carefully also, and you have to tell other carefully what is the real problem, why you are facing that problem. So effective communication is most important. Next one is collaboration. What does that mean by? Sometimes problems require teamwork. Okay, it's very difficult for us to solve the problem individually. So collaboration is most important. Explore with other to leverage diverse perspective and expertise. You can ask to other that, hey, I'm really going through this problem. How can we solve that? So if you do that, it will definitely help you. Next one is persistence. Don't give up easily. Some problem require time and multiple attempts to solve. So if you tried once and if you think that you will able to solve that problem, no, it's not possible. So sometimes we have to do it more and more. Sometimes we have to, okay, solve that problem more and more. In one attempt, maybe maybe we won't able to solve it. Okay. Next one is adaptability. Be flexible in your approach and willing to adjust your strategy based on new information or feedback. If the way you are solving the problem is not working, then try to change it. Okay, so willing to adjust your strategy, whatever the strategy that you have, change it. Okay, and according to new information that we have, if you don't know, then learn it. If you don't know, then you can ask to someone else who knows better than you. Okay, you can ask them. and be flexible. Okay, next one is continuous learning. Stay curious and keep learning. Every day we have to learn something. Okay, the more knowledge or skill you acquire, the better equipped you will be tackle in a variety of problem. So it is very important. You have to continuously learn. Continuous learning is very important. We have to learn every day. The more we learn, the more we able to know different things, and we will able to analyze the situation in a different way and try to solve that in a different way, because we have the knowledge right now. Okay, next one is practice problem solving regularly. This could involve solving puzzles, tackling real life challenges, or engage in structure problem solving exercise. So whatever the problem that you have, okay, don't ignore it, just try to solve it. If you can't, try all of the method that I'm sharing in this video. I can say that definitely it will help you to solve your problem. Okay, so practice is also important. By honing this skill and adapting a problem solving mindset, you can become more effective at overcoming challenges in various aspects of your life. Okay, it will definitely help you guys. Thank you guys for watching our videos. I hope it will help you to improve in your life. For more video, subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you. Thanks for your love and support. Okay, we'll talk about another video in another topic in another video. Okay, bye.